Hi, this is Pat from Northwoods Rubber Stamps. Moving on to our next class for Door County Rubber Stamps. I wish we could be there in person again, but in the new world, this is our next best thing. So again, want you to stay safe and stay well. And in the meantime, we're going to offer this video to help with instructions on our class. So what we're going to do is get out our next class kit, which is Northwoods Advanced 3D Bird and Butterfly Card Class. So you'll see a color picture of all four of the finished cards. And then each card will take a step-by-step coloring instructions of how we go from beginning to end on the cards. In addition to the color used, what I did this time is to add some written instructions to again help make it easier for you to do the cards on your own. So also in your kit, you'll have all four cards. They've all been stamped with our Northwoods watercolor paper, embossed with and also stamped with VersaFine black ink, a wonderful ink to use when you're embossing, the super detail embossing powder from Ranger. And then we used some beautiful colored papers from Basil and My Colors cardstock, and then some glitter paper from Best Creations. It's their olive green. So I think you'll enjoy doing that. And then also what we did in addition is each card we chose to pop up part of the image. So in addition to the cards, you will have the popped up images that you will color it too. So what we'll do is take it step by step. Again, a great big thank you to Oscar from Door County Rubber Stamps. Please support her store. It's just critical. She has one of the best rubber stamp stores in the country, so please support the store. And again, thank you for inviting us to do this workshop. We'll move on next to card number 1.